Catherine Bernardo update. Na-spotted si Catherine sa Menya Ipondo restaurant at sabi, "A hug, thank you to the lovely Miss Catherine Bernardo for dining with us at Menya Ipondo. What an absolute honor to serve you. Your kindness and radiant energy truly made our day." You know. Ito, during taping ng Summer Sunday, and back to work, sila Catherine Bernardo, kasama sila din po Sumana at Mas Salvador. Ito sa post ng TNT. Yan, ang download ni Madam Catherine. Yan, promo at sulit as swak for you po. You know? Ito po yung mga picture nila Catherine at Mayor Mark Arcala during nag-birthday si Catherine sa Bangkok, Thailand. Ay magkatabi pa nga sila sa table kasama ang team ni Catherine. Grabe yun. Ayan, no? Magkatabi sila Catherine at si Mark Arcala. Ayan, from this madala si Catherine dyan sa Bangkok, Thailand. Ngayon kasama niya na si Mark Arcala. Grabe yun. Ayan, nakikita ko nga yung cellphone. Ito, throwback video. Ayan, nila Catherine at Kuya Dingdong Dantes. Interaction ng dalawa. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Picture the Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.